First shot, pasok, sayang. Score, 78-73. Malayo na po ang lamang ng ugong pero malayo pa. Nakuha ni number 5 out of bounds. Foul. Foul number 7. Illegal. Third personal foul. Warning. Second team foul. Third team foul. Number 4. Number 4. Huli ka kay number 0. Paso number 14 natin. Paso kay number 88. Number 88. They set up is good. 4-2. Angat na daw po sa pito ang kalambangan ng number 23. Number 23 nagmamadali. Ayun na si number 23 gagasahay na. Number 23 pull up game. Good. 4-2. Babasa ni mga kalambangan ng ugong. Number 14. Bulo ka ba? 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to play. 10 seconds to shoot. Huli, nakuha ni number 03. Paso number 4. Number 4. Number 4, umikot-ikot. Paso number 5. Number 5, lazy up. Foul. Foul number 6. Number 6. Warning for Warning for First shot. Nice one, par. Second shot. Second shot. No good. Now one number 6. Pass to number 14. 30 seconds to play. Now 40 pass number 8. 25 seconds to play. Walang bola out of bounds anymore. 13 seconds to shoot. Nakaramdam din si Tropa. Ikaw pumita pero may foul number 4 pushing foul. Third personal foul penalty. The penalty. Rockstar move. Penalty. Pasok. Amoy ano? Pasekat. Second shot. 2 out of 2 by number 14.
76-83.
Number 4. Number 4, nagmamadali si number 4. 15 seconds to shoot. Nahuli ni number 14. 10 seconds to play. Okay. 5 seconds to play. Ang nagwagi, ang may alam. Sino po ang player? Best player, number 14, Edwin. 21 points, 20 points, 3 knockouts, the champ.
Ang nanalo, si Rep. Yun o. Edwin! 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 Galing oh.